How to import, resize, and move an image. So, pinag-isa ko na siya sa isang video, no? Kasi hindi naman to naiiba sa mga discussion natin before, like the text. So anyways, for this example, mag-create lang tayo ng new document. So click natin create new and gagamit tayo ng A4 na size. So just click create. So as you can see, meron na tayong A4 size na canvas, no? Check natin yung layers panel natin. We have it as our background. Ngayon, paano ba mag-import ng image? So you can import an image by going sa file, sa menu bar, and search for place embedded and then click nyo lang. So magbubukas yung file explorer nyo. So hanapin nyo lang yung picture na gusto nyong gamitin. So double click nyo lang yung picture. So titignan nyo yung canvas natin. Nandun na yung picture natin, no? And then meron siyang border and small squares. We call it handles. So again, to resize this image, pwede natin i-left click, hold, and drag sa anong size na gusto natin. But if you want na ma-maintain yung aspect ratio, just hold the shift key sa keyboard and then left click, hold, and drag. So it doesn't matter kung saan handle mo siya i-resize. As you can see, same pa rin na nare-retain yung ating aspect ratio. So, moving an image is very easy lang naman. You can use the move tool. So, yan. Left click natin, hold and drag, and move it sa taas. So, I'll show you another way how to import an image. So, buksan nyo lang yung file explorer nyo sa computer. Left click, hold, and then drag nyo papunta sa Photoshop. So, same lang naman siya nung nauna. Check muna natin yung layers panel natin. As you can see, we have the background and yung first picture na nilagay natin and then yung second. So, as you can see, pwede natin siyang i-move, no? So, again, same thing lang gagawin natin. We can left-click, hold, and drag and hold shift key then to maintain the aspect ratio. So, hold ng shift, left-click, hold, and drag. So, ganun lang kadali, no? Paano mag-import ng image, mag-resize, and then mag-move.